Digestive System Part 3, our accessory digestive organs. First, we're going to talk about our salivary glands. We have 3 of them, and these produce saliva. We have our parotid gland, which is right in front of our ear, our sublingual, which is right underneath our tongue, and our submandibular, which is right underneath our mandible. Now, these produce saliva, which is a mixture of mucus and serous fluid. It helps form the food bulbus and keep the food clumped together. They contain 2 different enzymes, amylase and maltase, that begin starch or sugar breakdown. Amylase will take a long chain of sugars and break it down into disaccharides. Disaccharides are going to be 2 sugars linked together, and that disaccharide is known as maltose. Maltase then comes through and chops those disaccharides, that maltose, into 2 separate glucoses. We also dissolve chemicals so that they can be tasted in the mouth. Our teeth play a role in mastication, which is the chewing of our food. Now, humans have 2 sets of teeth, deciduous teeth, which is our baby teeth, and then 20 fully formed teeth by the age of 2. Our pancreas produces a wide range of digestive enzymes that help break down a wide category of food. The enzymes are secreted into the duodenum, which is that first section of the small intestine, and we have an alkali fluid that is introduced with the enzymes to neutralize the acidity of the chyme. The endocrine products produced by the pancreas help regulate the blood glucose levels. So we have 2 different ones that we look at that can either lower or raise our blood glucose. Insulin lowers our blood glucose levels, and glucagons raise our blood glucose levels. These 2 tend to work in tandem to maintain a stable balance of blood glucose. Our liver is the largest gland in the body. It is located on the right side of our body underneath our diaphragm. It consists of 4 suspended lobes from the diaphragm and the abdominal wall by the falciform ligament. It creates bile and connects to the gallbladder via the common hepatic duct. The main job is to filter the blood coming from the digestive tract before passing it into the rest of the body. The liver also detoxifies chemicals and metabolizes drugs. Bile is produced by the liver cells. Its composition is bile salts, bile pigments, cholesterol, phospholipids, and electrolytes. Now remember, bile helps break down fat globules, not into their chemical components, but from a large glob to smaller globs, to increase the surface area so that other chemicals can help break them down quicker. Our gallbladder is a sac found in the hollow fossa of the liver. It stores the bile created by the liver. The bile is introduced into the duodenum of the small intestine in the presence of fatty foods. And gallstones can cause blockages in the different ducts. Now, if they cause blockages, then they can actually become infected, and that can cause a lot of pain. Well, that's it for the accessory organs. Y'all have a nice night.